You are watching Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing and joining the family. Stick around till the very end because we're announcing the winners for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I am really excited and got a great video. Why are people calling when I got my motorcycle gloves and I'm filming? Good thing they're Odin's. Barricade Rides, how may I help you? Oh, hey honey. Can you excuse me a second? What is the most important thing to a motorcycle rider after his motorcycle? In my opinion, it has to be his gear. Gear is meant to keep you safe, keep you dry, warm, cool, countless other reasons why we have gear. And 13 and a half years of riding, I have gone through a lot of gear. Incorrect fits, wear and tear, you name it. So what I like to do is I like to check out reviews and see what the best gear for me could be. So in this video we're doing a review on Odin Manufacturing's gloves, doing the originals. So we're going to go in depth on these things and give you my pros, my cons, and what I think of them. Alright, you may be wondering how they stuck to my gas tank like that. So right here on both gloves they have a magnet built into them. So these things are made out of full high quality leather cowhide. They are double stitched in the impact areas. So right along here you can see double stitched. It's got the double palms right here. And if you need to answer your cell phone, buckle your helmet or something, you simply just take those off and then they're easy to slip back on. And first looks at these, they got the Odin logo rubber stitched on there, got a cool tag, and the straps are made out of rubber. And what's cool about these straps with Odin is sometimes they'll get damaged and they won't close on you. Odin will fix those for free. So that's one of the cool things they do. They replace the straps, and these things are absolutely fantastic. On the middle finger you can see there is imprinted Odin in the gloves. And then right there we got manufacturing. So these things look incredible. When I got them, they weren't very tight to the point where I felt like I had to break them in. So they were already soft and extremely comfortable. So I've been riding these for a long time and I've been a huge fan. So on Alpine Star gloves, they come up a lot further on your arm to like help keep wind and whatnot, but with these they do a pretty decent job of keeping the wind from going under your jacket. Like, they're longer than majority of the gloves out there, but they're not as long and obnoxious. So these things are fantastic looking at them. I like the stitching, the diamond stitch on the palms as well, and just being able to take your finger out to mess with your GPS or your phone, change the song, whatever it is, that's incredible. And just pull it right here. So just a gimmick-free way of touching your cell phone, because some gloves will have like the thing on their fingertips so you can use your phone and whatnot. I've never had luck with those. They don't work for me. But these things definitely allow you to mess with your phone when needed. Alright, so I've had these gloves for a while now. I ordered them December 7th. And so I'm going to go over the pros first. So they're extremely comfortable, soft leather, and they feel extremely durable. I feel safe wearing these things. So that's definitely a pro. I can use my cell phone. I can buckle my helmet. So I'll show you a real quick clip of me buckling my helmet right now. I know I've said comfortable, but these things are incredibly comfortable. In the summer, they're a little warm because I didn't get the perforated ones. I bought them on December 7th. So comfortable, easy to use. They have a great fit. Can use the cell phone. The tank magnets are incredible. I love using those. Going to rallies and bike nights and whatnot. People are pretty impressed with being able just to toss them on my bike, and they stay. And let's go over the cons. I only have one con with these, honestly, and they're from Canada. Nothing wrong with Canada, but I ordered them December 7th or 10th. December 10th. And I didn't get them until January 7th. Whatsoever, no fault to Odin. I want to say they got lost near the border because they were sitting there for a while. So that's a bummer. I watched a review that the military biker did, and he ordered them one day and got them the next. So he's able to do a review on them right away, which is pretty cool. So they're quick shipping, and my only con is it took me about a month to get them. So I was really eager to get them, and it definitely took a minute. I hope you guys like these. They're great gloves. I highly recommend them. There's absolutely no wear on these whatsoever. They just got more comfortable in the 9-10 months that I've owned them. So let's get on to that 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm about to announce the winners to the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to show you the prizes real quick. We got a net gator with the Barricade Rides logo. Doing that one first. Second and third prizes are a Barricade Rides flask. And then we have 2 saddlebag coolers that were sent to us by Kimimoto. So we're at cometpicker.com. I entered the URL to the video. I filtered duplicate users. So let's pick our first winner. We're going to be doing the neck gator first. Oh snap, Pawamoto is the winner of the neck gator. Let's do one of the flasks. Paul M. And the other flask. Paul M. again. We can't do the same winner on 2 prizes, so we're going to be doing another one. So for the second flask. Dang, Paul M. Odin Mfgs is going to be the second flask winner. And now we have the 2 saddlebag coolers, which are generously donated from Kimimoto. So let's see who's going to win the first one. Carl Dutz Ride Out. All right, let's do the second one. The last winner. Walter Cruz. Congratulations to all the winners. Please hit me up on Instagram DMs at barricade_rides, or you can just send me an email at barricade.rides@gmail.com. So either way, get a hold of me, get your mailing addresses to me, and I'll get them shipped out as soon as possible. And thank you all so much for watching, supporting the channel since day one. If you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.